Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the 𝗪𝗶𝗿𝗵 coming to you as always from here. Today I have another amazing software from my brother 𝗕𝗵𝗵𝗵𝗂, and this one is called Voice AI, and in a nutshell it's a ChatGPT-4 powered app. Of course, AI app that turns any blog, any PDF, any document, any website, any URL that you have out there and turn it into high quality audiobook or podcast, and this you can publish in a special marketplace that is embedded with this very application, and it has access to over 2.3 million users, and this gives you the opportunity to actually make $586 daily, and you can do this without recording your voice or without writing any script. And of course it has the very option for you to record your voice in case you want to use your voice, and it has very beautiful voices that you can see in the dashboard when we go there. At any point you decide to buy this product, Vox AI, which is an amazing product, I will leave the first link below in my description area that will give you access to the very sales page of this one, which is exactly where we are right now, and you can pick up a copy using any of these links. And I will, if you stick with me, I will definitely take you to the dashboard area, which is exactly this, where you can create your project. These are the voices. I will come to all that and also show you finally the amazing bonuses and the pricing for this very product that I have for you. But for now, let us just go through the process of looking at what exactly this is going to do for you in terms of benefit. My name is Mike of 𝗪𝗶𝗿𝗵𝗵. I do these reviews every other day to bring out products that are going to help you actually make money online, and this one is up there on the top of the whole list of what can help you as application and software to make money online by making work easy using and of course utilizing the ChatGPT-4 that is actually creating massive opportunities and income for everybody who is interested in making money online. So you are not any exception. Now let us look at some of the benefits you have here. You have the first one: you can create your first audiobook within 2 minutes of joining this very arrangement, which is the Vox AI, and you can turn any article or URL into audiobook, which we are going to demonstrate in the course of this review. And you can create a podcast with human voice without recording anything. You can choose from 660 real human voices, and you can create voices in 80 different languages. No complications set up. Just get up and running in 2 minutes, and it comes with 50 plus built-in AI features that will make your life 100% easier, and you don't even need to write any script if you don't want. You can let the AI do the job for you. I have seen that, I have performed that, so I can assure you that this is exactly what it's going to do for you. Publish your audiobook to their marketplace, which has 2.3 active users, and of course you have 99.9% uptime guaranteed. You have 0 upfront costs, and you have 30-day money back guarantee. I mean, it cannot get any better than this. And let us go further and see the steps you need to actually get this going. The step 1 is to buy this product using my link below in the description, the first link, and then the second one will be enter any keyword, article, PDF, or even URL of your choice of other people's materials, and then you tweak it when the very text is generated from this very application, and you can apply that, and you have your audiobook or podcast. And step 3, you publish your new audiobook to inbuilt marketplace with 2.3 million active users, and that means the step 4, you sit there and profit. Okay, so that's exactly what you have here. It's an amazing product that I can assure you. You can create your audiobooks, create your podcast, create voiceovers. I am excited for this one because I know seeing it perform, and this is exactly in line with what I do naturally on my own with ChatGPT, and I see that it will have many more options than the normal website where I do my work. If I knew about this is going to come in the future, I would have held on until this is out so that I can use this one, because I mean it has so many voices that you can choose from, and these are almost human-like AI voices that are going to help you really kill it online. And you can create VSL that you can sell for others on Fiverr. You can create voiceovers. You can do basically anything. It's so flexible, as you are going to see in the course of this. And these are some of the ones that are already created. with this very application. You can listen to them if you come to this very search page and see exactly what it's going to do for you. I mean, you can't just spend all your life doing one particular video when you can do it under 2 minutes, 3 minutes with an AI application like this very one, which was thought out in a way to help even a beginner start to make money online. That's why I love this, and you can see all the testimonials. And of course, I will leave most of the going through of this very sales page to you when you arrive here, so that you see exactly what this will do for you and what I say is going to do for you. Believe me, if you go through this system, go through the tutorials and master it, which is very easy, you'll be able to make money online. And at the end of the day, the end should be to live your life as on your own terms without having to work for anybody. And you can also use this very one to actually avoid some of the monthly payments you make or yearly payments you make with these other applications that are monetized in a way to actually do the same job that this Vox AI is going to do for you. So you can see all the things you are going to learn, because even if you buy the license on this one, that means you can use this and sell it to anybody and make money at your own price. It's an amazing opportunity. 𝗕𝗵𝗿𝗍𝗂 has a way of creating wonderful products, and it's always blockbuster. That's why I love to promote, even on a Sunday, even when I am not feeling like doing it, I have to do it because he brings quality to the table. Okay, so with that said, let us see if we can go any further with this one. But in any case, what I will do is exactly to leave the judgment to you and leave the final and review of this very sales page to you. But for now, what we are going to definitely do, apart from going through all the other programs we have on this one, the best thing I believe we should do now to save time and also allow us to bring out the best that this product can do in a way that is going to be at least understandable and enjoyable by you. So what we do now is to actually see the dashboard. So when you come to the dashboard area, when you sign and buy this product and sign to your dashboard, this is exactly what you're going to see. This video is a list of all the voices that you have, and here you have the quick navigation area, which means you can, anything that you see on this button, you can see here and navigate fastly to wherever you want. Now, if you click on your create your project, you can click on create, and what you do, you choose audiobook. You can choose from the list podcast, voiceover, and others, but let us go with audiobook, and you can write how to make money online. How to make money online. And let's say the author is myself, Mike M, and the keyword is make money online. Okay, so when you do that, or you can see earn money online as well, because it must not get over 50 words for any keyword. So when you click this, it's going to definitely do the magic and bring you to this very area of the dashboard where you have these different options. You have create from scratch, import a Microsoft Word content, you have import from URL, you have import from PDF content, AI chatbot, recording, voice recording, and speech to text. Let us do it from scratch by clicking this button, and then you choose your language. In this case, I choose English US, which is exactly this, and then you choose the very voice you want. Let us go for Joy for demonstration purposes, and then you go down to the down area of this very page, and what you do is actually, if you don't have any text already, is to actually impute your own text here, okay, from scratch. Let's say to make money online, you need to choose your own niche and then apply the knowledge of finding out your market audience and audience against so, and course, get started with all you need to okay, so now this is, for example, for demonstration purposes. So what you do is you adjust your volume if you want to this point or to this point, and then your tempo is very important, and then you can pause, you can erase this very content. You can also now, most importantly, synthesize. When you do that, it's going to actually create this very Joey voice, as you can see with US. This is the one I created before when I was trying it. You can play it by clicking on this button. It's going to show you exactly what you have already. It is playing. You can view the text that you use to do this by using this very, you can see exactly the text that we have written. And then what you do here is you can actually delete this one and go back to this. You can close by clicking this button, okay? And then that's exactly what you have. You can download it to your various system, and you can see exactly it is downloaded here, and you can open it to see exactly what you have done, and it's going to help you open up to the page where you are going to be able to actually get everything done for you, okay? So it is an amazing experience that I can assure you. Here you can share. If you click on share, you can copy this very link and embed it on your website, and also you can share this very link by copying this very link. You can share it with anybody you want anywhere out there, and that's exactly what you have. So like that, you have your very podcast or audiobook setup, and of course you can use this button to either view or delete, and that's it. That's exactly it. That's exactly what you have with this very method. You can import a Microsoft Word content and go through the same process that we have gone through now. You can import from URL by using any URL of any article you have out there you want to do voiceover on, or sort of do podcast or what you call it, audiobook. And then you can import from PDF. You can use the AI chatbot of this very application. You can record with voice. You can do speech to text by taking speech from anywhere, and you can return it into any speech, and then you can record it for with any of the voices that you have here. And then when you finish that, if you want to sell that very audiobook, because we can go through all these buttons one by one, and of course I will leave the demo video of this description, or of this very material in action in my description. And then if you click on the marketplace area, if you click on this place, it's going to take you to this very dashboard where you are going to find the area where you click on marketplace, and it will enable you, actually allow you to click here to set up your payment links like PayPal and all that. If you want to use PayPal, this is where you put the PayPal client ID and PayPal client this, and this is exactly what will teach you how to get it from your PayPal. Or if you have Stripe, you can always use the Stripe publishable key, and here you have the Stripe secret key, and you can learn how to do that using this very guideline here. And you can save each time, each option you use, you can save with this very button. So it's an amazing thing, and you can monetize with this. You can view your payment gateway and your orders. But that's about the very dashboard area, and you can see, you can create your media library for image and for video. Here you have access to the images. If it opens, you can see the images you can use as your maybe ebook cover or whatever you have intention for. And then of course you can see the video as well, in case you want to use video for that purpose. And here you can create your e-cover design with this very one, which is already made here, or you can create from scratch, and this is up to you. And now here is the button that gives you access to the tutorials, which is exactly this. You can see all the information you have as per the tutorials, like the demo video, and then how to set up your marketplace. So that's in a nutshell exactly what this dashboard is. I will leave the link to the demo video of this one in the very description of mine and then you'll be able to access it there and watch for yourself and be able to apply it. It's an amazing groundbreaking application as long as I am concerned. And for now, let us see the very pricing for this one before we go to my amazing bonuses. The front end goes for $17, and here you have access to this amazing dashboard where you have everything in one dashboard. You have also the OTO number 1, the unlimited, which is $67, which is very important because everything is basically unlimited. You have OTO number 2 done for you, it goes for $297. You have OTO number 3 automation system, it goes for $7. You have the Swift profit for OTO number 4, which is for $7. You have OTO number 5, this traffic goes for $67. You have the OTO number 6, agency, goes for $127. And you have the OTO number 7, which is the franchise edition, $197. That means you can do anything you want with this very application as if it's your. Now let us see the amazing bonuses that I have for you. The first one is 𝗪𝗏𝗪, the software that is going to teach you how to make money with push button profits for beginners and seasoned who are finding sales difficult. That's 𝗪𝗏𝗪. You make money with NFTs, which is non-fungible tokens that you can deal on digital ads for block exchange. And you have also this number 2 bonus of mine, which is 𝗃𝗶𝗿𝗄𝗃, a Chrome extension on how you can crack the Twitter traffic and of course siphon traffic from Twitter to any offer or link of your choice. It could be your website, it could be your blog, it could be affiliate marketing link, and I mean that's crazy really. You have bonus number 3 as the insurgency, which is a complete training course on how to do Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. You have also the number 4, which is lazy traffic sniper, which is going to teach you how to access free buyer traffic on autopilot. You have also the bonus number 5, which is JavaScript commission bot, which is a bot that's going to teach you and help you make money online. 4 figures every day commissions. And you have also bonus number 6, the long-term formula, which is 0 to 100% beginner-friendly training on how you can start and scale your digital marketing. Okay, you have also the commission toolbox as the last one, which gives you access to over 1,000 links that will give you one capabilities or another online, and that will make life easy for you and make you 100% faster than your competition. Okay, so that's exactly what you have here. And at any point you decide to buy this product, just click that first link in my description. It will bring you to the sales page where you are going to get a copy of this product using any of the links scattered all over. I think light green in color. Let us see if we can get one into our focus so that we see exactly what it looks like. In case when you arrive here, you'll be able to exactly know what you're looking for. This is the button. When you arrive here, you click this button. It's going to take you to my WordPress account where you buy this product. After purchase, under your purchase history, you'll find a page that looks like this. This button gives you access to Vox AI, and this new one gives you access to these crazy bonuses that I have for you. They are all training courses and softwares, bonus and Chrome extensions that are going to help you actually make insane amount of money online, daily basis, monthly basis, and of course you know what that means. And some of them are going to be recurring actually. Okay, so that's a very amazing opportunity you have here, and with this I will bet you we are going to come towards the gradual end of this very amazing product, Vox AI from 𝗪𝗏𝗪, my friend, which is going live today, the 5th of June 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time. And with this very one, we come to the very end of this very one. If you have enjoyed this review as I have done, I enjoyed it myself because I'm excited. I see it's going to be another opportunity for anybody who wants to make money online. Then don't fail to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. And I will be back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of the 𝗪𝗏𝗪.com, coming to you as always from here and from me. From here, guys, it's goodbye.